Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we are going back to basics, folks. Back to simple ingredients, simple recipes, very nutritious, very easy to make, and got a little thing going on my Facebook community page with the Back to Basic Boot Camp. I'll put a link down below. You can come join us if you like. You're going to see lots more recipes like this. So anyway, this is a basic taco salad. So you're going to start with a couple cups of rice, and this is my Black & Decker rice cooker. This is how I do it. A couple cups of whatever kind of rice you want. So the basic idea here is to pick a grain. It can be rice, it can be brown rice, it could be white rice, it could be quinoa. And that's going to be the foundation for our salad. Well, besides the greens, of course. So we're going to start with a layer of greens in our salad bowl. And then we're going to add some grain. So we're getting our vitamins and nutrients from the whole grains. And that's me over there just rinsing everything, getting the right amount of water. And I've had this rice cooker for years. It works great. It's the only thing I use. If you have one like mine and it has a little vent hole, here's a little tip. Make sure it's pointing into the sink, not toward the window. I did that once. That was a mess. Anyway, get our rice cooking. And then for the meat or the protein, I'm going to use a combination of my taco crumbles and some pinto beans. Now, normally with my taco meat, if you've made them, you know I bake that. This time I'm just going to throw it in a pan. I'm going to add some rinsed pinto beans. Stir that together and just heat it until it's heated through. Now here comes the salad part. Put down the greens, like I said, and add some grain of your choice. In this case, it was the wild rice mixture. Throw on some of that taco meat crumbles, and then just garnish with all kinds of fresh veggies. Very simple. Didn't take that long to cook, and tasted amazing. You know me, I like my hot and spicy, so there's plenty of jalapenos on there. And I got some hot salsa coming up here, and you can even add some more hot sauce if you want. Anyway, the whole back to basics thing is something I'm trying this week, 7 days, just to try to get some of that holiday weight off and kind of reset my brain into thinking simpler recipes, stuff like that. Hope you come and join us. We'll see you next week. This is Chuck, Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.